Hello, and welcome back to Windows 10 tutorial. In this video, you will learn about how to add language in Windows 10. Now, let's get started. Go to the bottom left corner and click on the Windows logo. Then, select Settings from the left panel of the Start menu. After that, click on Time and Language. On the left side, select the Language tab. Then, on the Preferred Languages, click on the Add a Language. After that, type the language name that you want to add. Then, select the language and click on the Next button. After that, click on the Install button. Now, Windows will download the language and install it on the computer. Make sure that you have internet connection on your computer. Then, close the window. Go to Taskbar and click on the language icon, which is ENG. Now, the language you added will appear here. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.